Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sharika.S, and I am representing for the hot girls today. To start, we're going to go ahead and fill in those brows. I love using a pencil, but of course you can use whichever type of brow fill-in that you like. Next, I'm going to start concealing with my natural LA Girl concealer. And what the concealer do, it really enhances the shape of the brow, and it literally brings the brow off of your face, guys. Off of your face. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the blending process. Pat, 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 pat. Pat it right into that skin. You definitely want to make sure that you blend it into your skin. This Urban Decay-Electric palette, I swear to God, was made strictly for the hot girls because it has all those vibrant, beautiful colors in it. What I'm doing now is just setting my base for all of the eyeshadow that I will apply, and I am not swiping across, ladies. I am patting it right into my skin. Now that you have your base, you're going to take your concealer of your choice. Of course, mine is LA Girl, and I'm using natural, and you are going to use your concealer brush and make that half moon shape. It really is a tedious process, but make sure the half moon goes into that crease of your eye. I'm going to be applying the lime green, the orange, and back to the hot pink on the end. Make sure you pat for pigment as bright as you want it. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my liquid line, and I'm using CoverGirl because it has a nice soft felt tip that I really like. Definitely take your time with your liquid eyeliner. You would hate to mess up and have to do it all over. And after you do that, just go ahead and put some mascara because we are getting ready to apply them minkies. So these are my yummy minks, ladies, and you definitely can order you some. I have about 7 different style of mink lashes, and I am using my Malaysias today. And they are a more full look. It looks like you almost have on lash extensions, and they are very lightweight. So now go ahead and line your eyes, guys. So now for foundation, I'm using L'Oreal True Match, and this is my summertime complexion with them, and yes, it's a drugstore brand. I use this on my clients as well. So now we're gonna conceal under eyes, nose, forehead, and chin as we prepare for our contour. And I'm using my black radiance palettes, cheek, forehead, and the nose. Make sure you find your shape for your nose. That's definitely important. Now it's time to blend. I'm using my L'Oreal Shake&Glow, and what I do, I just spray it on my beauty blender and I pat away. And the L'Oreal spray, it just give it that dewy touch. I call it magic. So we're gonna jump right into concealing, and this really brings your contour out. So just contour, conceal so you can get that shape that you want for your cheeks. I'm using my Revolution Banana Setting Powder, and I am setting my face. Look at that girl right there. Let it set for about a minute, and then I just use my brush to go ahead and set it into my skin. So now I'm about to use my Beauty Treats Finishing Powder palette, and I really love this palette, guys. So what I do is I go ahead and shake and glow my face one more time and go under those eyes with my powder, and a little bit of mascara never hurted nobody. Now for your eye creases, a color of your choice right there. Beep. And NYX lip gloss for the win. Yes, girl, you is poppin'. Blush, highlight, boom. We are done. Ay. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button.